According to statistics provided by the World Bank in 2016, 13% of the population of the world does not currently have access to electricity, which equates to about 1 billion people. For this 1 billion people, working, teaching, reading, writing and cooking are extremely difficult after sunset, reducing employment opportunities and increasing the risk of living in poverty. A possible solution of this is to take advantage of the natural electricity provided by the sun in the form of a solar light. The three main components of the solar light are a battery, LED and the solar panel.
One of the main components of a solar panel light is a battery. To choose our battery, we use the battery selector data sheet provided for this unit. We also did some extra research and decided to choose the Turnigy LiPo 2200 mAh battery.
So I had the job of selecting the LEDs for the team. When selecting the LED, it came down to three main points: the price, the effectiveness and the lifespan. I looked at three different LEDs. The first was the D series generation, which was too expensive and probably too bright for the project we were looking at. The second was the LM302C, which is a mid-power LED and the cheapest of the range. However, it would not provide enough light for what we were looking for. The last, the LH58+, was the best for this because it was not only cheap, but it was also very effective.
The solar panel selection is important to be both effective, economical and proportional to the battery. It's cheap, costs efficient. We decided to keep the solar panel small. This enabled possible expansion by adding additional panels to minimise costs, while not adding unnecessary ones. Other solar panels were more expensive whilst offering little benefit, and many were too powerful and would not work.
Two separate tests were conducted. The first considered the total battery life and the second considered the efficiency with 30 minutes charging. In general, the battery life was between 2 and 4 hours and lasted 20 minutes when charged for 30 minutes. Interestingly, the larger the LED driver resistance, the longer the battery life in most cases. This can be attributed to the decreased flow of current at any one time.